It feels like a lot of the bigger DSOs get a lot of the opportunity at the dental schools to work with dental students. So sponsoring events, working with the students. So DSOs have figured out, hey, we're going to start working with these dental students year one. So they know us by year 4 or 5 or whatever. And then they get the opportunity at them, at those students. So he said, how can somebody smaller like himself get an opportunity with a dental school?
I have to tell you that in my eyes, we create, whether you have 1,000 clinics or one clinic, you're all equal in my eyes. And I have to share with you is that if a private practitioner wants to open up, which I've done, single practices and engaged our students through those practices, we can absolutely rotate students through private practices, whether they're one practice or 100 practices. They have the same opportunity. All they have to do is contact the dental school and say, you know what, I'd like to talk about practice management, maybe at a lunch and learn. Because a lot of these major DSOs, they're coming and throwing pizza parties and whatnot. But you know what, in reality, that gets their name out there, but it really doesn't bring the student into that cluster. But if a private practice wants to associate with a local dental school, I have to tell you, for the most part, they'll embrace that in a discussion to come forward.
I love that. How would you do that? So if you were a dentist today and you were trying to grow your organization, you had maybe 2 locations, let's just say in Nebraska, right? How would you go about getting your foot in the door with a dental school?
Well, number one, with myself or schools that I know of our model. So University of Washington, University of Michigan, UCLA now, Oklahoma to a certain extent, and a couple others that are embracing parts of the template. If those are in the States, if they want to contact me, I could put you in contact with the dental school in your area. Or if you want to work through us, because my entire goal in this is to centralize the process of engaging our students. Meaning, let's create one platform. And since I have the ear of several DSOs and alike, I would love to entertain dental schools from different states to participate in locations with our students, because if one school is doing it better than the other, I want to know why.